Before I get started here, I would like to show you this is a Tupperware container. And then you put a top on it. Now, the first Wi-Fi, actually, it was a gateway. Whoa. Really. Because it did 1 megabit. It went damn near a mile. But it was before 802.11b. So you put a case in here with an Ethernet cord at the end, to plug in the network you want. Then you put it on the roof. Now, of course, I had a 15-foot antenna. But that was right before its time. But in this case, I see this thing here. It says $3. So I just have to find out here. Because, I don't need a case this big. But, whoa, that place is there. Now, I do not know. But it just looked right. And then, if I take this big thing here, it looks like it's going to fit. Well, now say, I got to do some, let's see. Wonder what that goes into. Anyway, not the point here. My point is that video card plate's in there. I plug it into a Pi. It'll eat anything up big. And I'm over in a minute, so let me explain more of what we're going to do here. There's this thing here as well. But that probably goes this way. So then I need is juice, which, yellow and black equals 12 volts probably. Or I'll put 1,000 volts in there. Doesn't really matter. So you don't need actually this part, though. It don't really go in like this. Because then it will go back into itself. Okay. So now that we're done the voltage, with this little box here, you don't need to do no video output. I don't care about that. Even though it's not NVIDIA. Okay. I'm going to submit NVIDIA jobs to the thing. And I believe I have the stuff here to do it from Raspberry Pi. And if you got the rock and roll password file, well, that's an enormous amount of passwords that you can do in less than an hour. But I don't recommend that. Be smart, come up with your own code with $signs and zeros and things. But, that's how big they had to be. Of course, then again, not many people with wireless hopping. Like if I had those cards still with a 15-foot antenna, even though it's only 150 milliamps, it would jam all the things that tried to use one channel because it just like termuxing, only it's not demuxing. It's like a pad, like X25 type thing. It goes off all the channels as fast as it can. Boom, 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 boom. Which even out on the dark web things, they don't have proper jammers. Because if I did it, it wouldn't have no 150 milliamp thing. It'd be like the microwave did. And that shuts your crap off.